Hey y'all, let's pack my daughter's lunch today. So today she's going to take some chicken taco meat and a little bit of Mexican street corn that I made last night. Then I packed her up some of these Tostitos with a hint of lime chips. Normally just eats these plain, but you will see that she does take a dip today. Then I packed her some of this dried organic pineapple. She said this was really good. She tried a few pieces and some goldfish. Then I packed her this guacamole dip. I wanted to pack it last so that I could pack it with a few ice packs so it can keep it cool. I packed a fork so we don't receive a complaint. I filled her Gatorade bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all. Hey y'all, let's pack my daughter's lunch today. So lately she's been obsessed with these Just Bare chicken nuggets, and she had me pack her some Chick-fil-A sauce. Then I cut her up some strawberries so that she'd have some fruit in her lunchbox. I added in a pack of trail mix. After I packed that up, I moved on to chips, and she's gonna take these cheddar and sour cream potato chips today. I needed to give the chicken a little time to cool down, so here I am packing everything up after the fact. I filled her Gatorade bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all. Hey y'all, let's pack my daughter's lunch today. So last night I made some spaghetti with meat sauce. So this morning I just got up and I cooked her some more noodles so that she would have fresh noodles. And then I added the spaghetti sauce on top and I just packed it up. Then I packed her some goldfish and some more of her trail mix. Then I cut her up some more of the strawberries so she would have some fresh fruit in her lunchbox. I made sure to add an ice pack to keep those strawberries cool. I packed a fork so that we don't receive a complaint. I filled her Gatorade bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all. Hey y'all, let's pack my daughter's lunch today. So today she's going to take a cheese and chicken quesadilla. This is probably one of her favorite lunches that I pack, so I pack this quite often. I try to let it cool down before I put the top on just so it doesn't get soggy. Then I gave her some sour cream because she can't have a quesadilla without sour cream. I packed her some of these Ruffles. This is the cheddar and sour cream flavor. I gave her some of her trail mix that she really likes. I gave her an apple cinnamon applesauce. I filled her Gatorade bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all. Hey y'all, let's pack my daughter's lunch today. So today I'm packing her chicken pie. This is my grandma's recipe. I've posted this before. You can just go back to previous videos if you'd like that recipe. Then I added some mac and cheese, and I'm pouring a little bit of heavy cream over that so that it'll be creamy later, and some green beans. Then I packed her up some pineapples. She likes these little pineapple chunks, and I added some trail mix to the bowl. Then I added some of these Chester's hot fries. She prefers these. I prefer Andy's. You let me know which one you prefer. I added a fork so we don't receive a complaint. I filled her Gatorade bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all. Hey y'all, let's pack my daughter's lunch today. So today I made her a cheese pizza. I'm just cutting it into smaller pieces so it'll fit down inside of her bowl. Then I added some regular goldfish to her bowl, and now I'm going to add some peanuts in the smaller bowl. I packed her some more of the fresh pineapple. She's really been enjoying this lately. I packed a fork so that we don't receive a complaint. I filled her Gatorade bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all. Hey y'all, let's pack my daughter's lunch today. So you know she had to take one of her favorite lunches on Friday. So here it is, a cheese and chicken quesadilla. Added a little bit of sour cream to a cup because you know she likes sour cream with her quesadillas. And then I'm cutting up some fresh strawberries and I'm adding them to a bowl. And then I added some of this dry pineapple from Trader Joe's and then some oven baked cheese bites also from Trader Joe's. Then I added in one of these petite chocolate pots that I gave her last week and a spoon so we don't receive a complaint. I filled her Gatorade bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all. Hey y'all, let's pack my daughter's lunch today. So today she's taking some leftover crock pot barbecue that I made yesterday and some homemade mashed potatoes. Then I packed her some of the homemade white slaw that I made the night before as well, and I'm packing up some of her favorite Annie's cheddar bunnies and some of this dry pineapple from Trader Joe's. She said this wasn't her favorite because it was too hard for her teeth. Then I added in this yogurt that she's really been enjoying lately. I got it from Whole Foods. I added a fork so we don't receive a complaint. I filled her Gatorade bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all.